As we usher in the new year, I'd like to take a few minutes to touch on some topics that I hope will encourage more discussion between you and your colleagues. First, I'll recap some of our achievements from 2014, then discuss the overall real estate trends we are seeing in today's market. Then I'll focus on tools that help facilitate business and communication. In 2014, I am proud to announce that close to 10,000 sales associates joined our company, the largest and most productive recruiting class in the history of NRT. In addition, we successfully completed 17 acquisitions, which expanded and strengthened our market footprint. This is further evidence of our company being viewed as the place to be in real estate brokerage. Now on to 2015. Obviously, no one has a crystal ball, but there are some very encouraging signs that point to a stronger 2015. As we all know, real estate markets are local. However, there are some fundamental housing trends that support a degree of optimism overall. So let's highlight the factors that are initiating some of these trends. First, unemployment levels continue to decline, which will increase the population of U.S. homebuyers. Second, interest rates remain at historical low levels, and even modest increases in 2015 will provide for more than adequate affordability levels. Third, there appears to be a shift to ease credit regulations, thus making it easier for more potential buyers to qualify for a conventional mortgage. Fourth, there appears to be evidence of continued pent-up buyer demand, supported by the fact that the first-time buyer pool represented approximately 33% of 2014 home purchases, which this level has the potential to increase to 40%. And fifth, overall consumer confidence continues to grow, and U.S. home ownership, which stands today at a historical low level of 64%, has the potential of increasing to a more normalized level of 68%. The internet and technology as a whole have empowered today's buyers and sellers with real estate information, thus making them more informed. As a result, targeting this vast internet audience and putting them in contact with you is one of our company's key initiatives. More so than any other brokerage company, NRT has made significant investments in technology. Our company has successfully implemented the most comprehensive internet strategy in our industry. We now use technology to work smarter and cultivate new business opportunities while still realizing the importance of the face-to-face relationships that only you can provide. The strategic value of our technology initiative shows results and gives you the competitive advantage you need to generate more business and manage it more effectively. In closing, I want to thank you for all your contributions in making our company the place to be in real estate brokerage. Again, thank you for everything you do, and I wish all of you a prosperous new year.